The poor kitten. Last week, Linda walked home. She heard a noise. She looked around. She found a kitten in the drain. The kitten was wet and dirty. It was hurt. She felt sorry. So, she took the kitten home. At home, she cleaned the kitten. She fed milk to it. She put medicine Linda wanted to keep. The kitten she asked her father and mother. They said yes. So they bought a basket and cat food. Linda was happy. She named it Common. The title, The Poor Kitten. Character, Linda, Commel, the kitten, father and mother. The setting, at the home. The problem, the kitten was wet, wet and dirty. It was hurt. Solution, she took the kitten home and cleaned the kitten. She fed milk and she put medicine.